Every ride begins with a craving, sometimes for the roads, sometimes for the sea, and sometimes for the perfect fish thali.
मॉर्निंग। अरे चालू नहीं किया? हाँ मैश, एक सेकेंड, मेरा चालू है क्या देख ले। मन है, अभी आ रहा है।
It's almost a ritual, syncing our sailors before the ride. Those live conversations keep the miles alive. And as we roll past the city limits, the sun seems to wink and say, your joy has just begun.
So we won't actually get into MX66. We'll just take that small curve and then get into the opposite side. We want to go through. If we want to go through MX66, then we have to go all the way to Indrapur and then take a right from there. But that route is not going to be interesting for us. इधर ही है, सॉरी। मैं आगे से ये मार के आता हूँ। ये ट्रक वाले को मुझे ओवरटेक नहीं करना, ट्रक वाले जीप वाले को।
दिस इज नॉट जोशी, दिस इज
अरे ये कोई श्री दत्ता गाड़ी वाले है। अच्छा दत्ता,
यहीं पे तो अपन ने खाए थे ना ऐसे।
नहीं जोशी, हाँ।
अरे ये इसके सामने अपना इमेजिका के सामने वाला यही है।
हाँ नहीं, वो अलग है और ये अलग है। जोशी वाला आगे है ये।
तो चल आगे चल, मेरे को इसका इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा, जोशी वाला अच्छा है।
ठीक है,
हाँ
ओके
चल लेट्स गो।
ओके।
रुक।
Our day began at Joshi Vadewala, right across from Imagica. Hot vadas, misal pav, and stronger coffee. We launched our first drone shot there, though not very successful. Then rolled out toward Roha, cruising through the lush curves of Pali Hill.
तो अपने को यहाँ से आगे से राइट लेना है। water still there.
Because it rained, no? ऐसा मॉनसून अच्छा गिरा ना उस पर। बहुत बढ़िया गिरा।
इधर साइड में गाड़ी लगा देता हूँ 360 लगाने के लिए।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है यो ओके लेट्स गो The first rush hit as we climbed and calmed down the ghats to Roha. The twist is alive with wind and throttle until the calm gave way to the familiar hustle of the town.
You have to take this left. हाँ मेला लगा हुआ है
यहाँ पे अपने को एक बार ट्रैफिक भी ना हो रास्ते में।
हाँ
और सामने आ गया ना
सो वही था लास्ट टाइम भी ऐसे ही कोई ट्रक वक खड़ा था
दो ट्रक जो आगे सामने आ गया।
करेक्ट करेक्ट मेरे ख्याल से यही है ना रोड
अभी डाल दो
नहीं नहीं मुरुद मुरुद हाँ क्या बोल रहा है
ऐका ना ते असं आतून आहे मग डायरेक्ट पहाड
Leaving Murud behind, the road began to climb, steep, winding, and green. The Sahyadris rose around us, wrapping the trail in a living canopy. It was the perfect stretch to slow down, breathe, and let the road remind us why the unknown always feels like home. Crossing Khokhri Gumbad, a monument whose stories lie buried deep in time, the landscape began to change. The hills eased, the air grew salty, and the first glimpses of the sea danced ahead, promising views that were simply mesmerizing. with the majestic Murud Janjira Fort standing sentinel to our side. We rode past one of history's greatest masterpieces, built in the 16th century and held by the Siddhi rulers. This sea fort defied numerous wars with the Maratha Empire and the British, and it remained unconquered until it merged into independent India.
So this thali.
Over 200 kilometers on the saddle, all for a plate of Surmai Thali at Patil Khanaval. Simple on the surface, almost too humble to justify the miles. But one bite tells you why this journey was worth every turn of the wheel. The fish, fresh from the morning catch, melts into flavor that lingers long after the meal is done. And as always, there are friends with stronger opinions and sharper palates, reminding us that good food isn't just about taste. It's about the stories we gather on the way.
आज एकदम भीड़ नहीं है रेस्टोरेंट में. हाँ, कल नहीं रहेगा भीड़ बिकॉज हाँ हाँ करेक्ट.
The wheels turned homeward, the sea slowly fading in the mirrors. Every ride leaves something behind, a memory, a taste, a silence that speaks. Today, it was the lingering flavor of that perfect Surmai Thali. The road from Murud to the city felt lighter, ending our journey. But the story keeps riding with us.